Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerPoint University. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the 5 gear steps infographic slide. You can see here I have added 5 gears, and here it will give you the first option and you can add more detail to it. And I have added the icon. Likewise, I have created with different colors all 5 different steps. And when I click, you can see here started slowly rotating. One is rotating clockwise, another is counterclockwise. And similarly, I have make one more where this will work something like this without any gap in between. So let's see how to create this 5-step gear infographic slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle shape, just click it here and go to Format, make the height as 4 and the width as 1.75 and shape outline, make it no outline and keep this here. I'm going to make 5 rectangles now, and before that right mouse click, go to Format Shape and go to Effects, Shadows, give the shadow which is bottom right. If you want, you can increase it a little bit more. And I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate. I'm going to add one more, Ctrl D, third, fourth and fifth. I'm going to select this and I'll just say send back. Select the third one, just say send back, and the last one send back, and the last one I'm not going to add any shadow to it. Then I'm going to change the color according to the colors which I have selected here. I will select this shape fill. I'll use the eyedropper, or you can make gradient also. For the second eyedropper, I'll select this, third, and this is the last color. I'm going to add one more shape. For that, go to Insert, Shapes, under Rectangle, select the last but one, which is rectangle top corners rounded, and I will use this to cover it, and you can just reduce the curve or the corner and then just say send to back, and I'm going to give some gray color to it, and shape outline, make it no outline. And then I'm going to add the gears here. For this, I'm going to use my own slide which I have added one day before. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C and Control V, and I'll paste it here. You can reduce the size a little bit. So this is my first gear here. Then I'm going to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to add one oval shape, and I'll put the oval shape here and increase the size a little bit more by holding the Control and Shift key. Or this is somewhat bigger. So let me just select this and this, align center, align middle. I'm going to use the same color as of background, and shape outline, make it no outline. And then I'm going to add one more by pressing Ctrl D, and this color I'm going to make it a light gray. Reduce the size and put it in the center and give some shadow effect to it. I'll use this shadow effect, and you have to make sure that this is properly align in the center. Let me just select this, format, align center, align middle. So I'm just going to select this, only these three. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. I'm going to put it here, and using this I'll just adjust it so that the teeth are placed in between this one. Now I'm going to copy this, Ctrl D to duplicate, and put it like this, Ctrl D and Ctrl D. Then change the color. I will just use the same eyedropper. So you can see here I have added all this one, but you have to make sure that this is not properly aligned, or it's not in the, some are up and some are down, so you have to just adjust it. I'm going to add one rectangle temporary, just to make sure that this is properly matching with this. So here I have to move this up, this also I have to move this up, and this also I have to move it up, and then I have to just put the right, so you can see here this is perfectly, so this is not, so I'll just put it this also, and then the inside circle also you need to align it. So I'll delete this, I don't need that. And then you can add the numbers to it. I will just say go to insert text box, and I will just say 1 here, center line, increase the size, make it bold, and put it here 1, Control D, just put it in the center, and this is 2, 3, 4 and 5, and change the color as per the background. So you can see here, and just make sure that this is all properly aligned. And then I'm going to give the animation, and before giving the animation you can add the more detailed text here, as well as you can add the icons also. To add the icons, go to insert, click on icons, and I'm just going to add some icons here. For example, faces, let me just add this, and click insert, and I'm going to make this height and width as 0.5, and I will make fill as white. Then I'm going to select one by one, and I'm going to add at the bottom. And then you can add your detailed text here. I'll make this also white. Control D. And then let's do the animation. Close the format background. Go to animations, enable the animation pane. I'm going to select this first gear and add animation. Just say spin. You can see it's spinning very fast. Double click, timings, make it extreme slow and repeat until end of the slide and just say OK. So you can see it started moving. And then I'm just going to copy this animation painter, click on the second, and only thing which you need to do is double click this. First, this is amount as 360 degrees clockwise. I'm going to make it a counterclockwise and just say OK, so that it will spin the opposite direction. I'll just say with previous and a delay of 0.25 seconds. And if I play, you can see here this is playing. One wheel is rotating one clockwise and another counterclockwise. So I'm just going to copy this now. Animation painter, click this, and for this I'm going to use this one, and for this I'm going to use this. So all this one is with previous, this is also with previous, and I'm just going to increase the delay is 0.5. This delay will be 0.75 and this delay will be 0.1. So if I just do it in the slideshow, when I click, you can see here it will work something like this. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.